So here's a great example of some carpet grass that we want to remove here today. And traditionally, one method would be to use hand tools when you're working in the garden. These types of tools are just not really meant for this type of weeding. And when you got to use short-handled tools when you're working in a mixed bed, for instance, it just doesn't give you a lot of leverage and power. So with SoilWand, you can come in here and you can use the tool just like an ice axe and get a lot of leverage out of it. And you can come in behind and use your whole body. And that's what's so nice about it. So you can just get these weeds out, roots and all. This is one fell swoop of the carpet grass, and there you go. It's totally out. Very simple, very precise, very efficient, very quick. And, you know, especially in a commercial environment when you're working and you know, time is money, it's a great tool to have. And also when you want to make sure that your crew and people working on the job aren't getting injured, especially from these long-term repetitive motions, that's where SoilWand comes into play, because these superior ergonomics give you so much more power and so much more precision and so much more leverage over a traditional hand tool. It really gives you big tool performance in a small footprint.